Exploring the World of Youth Soccer, a Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, youth soccer. This term is not only about a sport but also about culture, community, and growth. Whether you're a soccer enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will offer valuable insights. Let's dive in. Youth soccer refers to the organized sport of soccer, or football, as it's known in many parts of the world, played by children and teenagers. It's not just a game, it's an important part of many young people's lives, teaching teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. We'll look at how youth soccer is organized, its benefits, and why it's so popular. Youth soccer can vary greatly from country to country, but it generally involves teams of young players, often organized by age groups. We'll explore how these teams are formed, the roles of coaches and parents, and the typical rules of the game. Understanding this structure will help you grasp the social and cultural aspects of youth soccer. Soccer has its own unique vocabulary. Terms like goal, offside, and penalty are crucial in understanding the game. We'll break down these terms and more, helping you expand your English vocabulary in a fun and engaging way. Youth soccer is more than just a sport, it's a part of global culture. We'll look at how it influences and is influenced by cultural trends, and how it connects communities. This section will help you understand the cultural significance of youth soccer. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what youth soccer is and why it's such a beloved sport among young people. Remember, learning English through topics like sports can be both fun and educational. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.